Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabby and today we have another unboxing. In today's video, I will be unboxing a new keyboard. And be sure to stick around until the end for a keyboard sound test. So my latest hyperfixation has been keyboards. Even if I can't buy them all, I just like to consume keyboard content. So I decided to go ahead and buy a new keyboard. So since I bought my PC setup about 3 years ago, I've only had this one Razer Black Widow mechanical keyboard, and it's my only keyboard and I love it so much, but I kind of want something that's a little less clacky, if you know what I mean. So to kick off my latest keyboard obsession, I decided to go with the Epomaker RT100 97 key gasket mechanical keyboard. I must say there are several factors that drove me to actually purchase this keyboard. As I've been on this journey to create basically the desk setup and the room of my dreams, I've been trying to be more thoughtful with my purchases. Because buyer's remorse is very real and I don't want to regret or even dislike something that I bought later down the road. So the Epomaker RT100 comes with some really cool features such as long battery life, hot swappable sockets, south-facing LED, and a detachable Type-C cable. So you can use this keyboard with the cable or you can use it with Bluetooth, however you prefer. But what really sold me was this little mini TV that can display cute little scenes, and I'll get into that a little later. So my non-negotiables when it comes to buying a keyboard is I definitely want something that has the number pad or basically a full layout keyboard. And I absolutely must have some sort of dial on the keyboard that allows me to turn the volume up or down or stop music because it's just so convenient. Now let's unbox this beauty. So the keyboard that I went with features the Flamingo switches, and the sound is a good mix between clacky and creamy, almost sort of the perfect medium between the two. But in comparison to my Razer Black Widow keyboard, the sound is very, very smooth. And Epomaker does have several colorways available for this keyboard, but because I have sort of a girly and pinkish setup, of course I had to go with pink, so yeah. And the space bar literally says need more space, and that is such a vibe. I haven't yet tested the Bluetooth capability or the battery life much of the keyboard because I just primarily use it with the cable, not because it's a preference, but it's just kind of how it goes for me. And now the star of the show, the thing that made me buy this keyboard. I am a complete sucker for cute displays, so when I saw what it could do, I knew immediately I had to get this keyboard and add it to my new growing collection of keyboards. And to set up the display, it was quite simple. I literally just downloaded a GIF offline and uploaded it to the software. And can we just pause and take a second to take in all of this cuteness? I mean, be serious. Now I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna get into this sound test. So guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you would rate the sound of the Epomaker RT100 with the Flamingo switches. 1 through 10, let me know how you guys feel about it. And here's a little size comparison and a sound comparison between the Razer keyboard and the Epomaker. So I am very happy with this purchase. It fits my setup and my aesthetic perfectly, and it gets the job done, and it looks really cute. So yeah, definitely recommend to someone who's looking to get into keyboards. So if you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the Epomaker RT100, I would definitely be so appreciative if you gave me a like or even subscribe. Once again, my name is Gabbie, and I will see you guys next time.